Happy birthday, girl. I'm so excited to celebrate you, and I'm so excited to see you. I'm on my way right now, all the way from Dallas, Texas to Houston. When you get this, please call me, because I need to figure out what you want. And where are we going to dinner? Call me back, girl. Bye.
Okay. The girls are outside tonight, and of course, this is like the worst tripod ever. Well, it's not the worst. It's lasted me some time, but it's definitely time for me to get a new tripod. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing while we head out. So I'm wearing this little dress. This is a cute little back detail from Zara. These shoes, these little denim heels from Zara as well. And I'm gonna be wearing my saddlebag. Yeah! I think this outfit is like really cute. It's cute enough to go to dinner in. We're going to Nobu. And that sounds so bougie, but you know. But it's all good, you know? At least one time for the night. One time for the night. And yeah. So I'll meet y'all there because we're hiking in a rush. So see you there.
The birthday girl. Hey, sexy lady. Hey, sexy grown girl. Hey. Let's put a little bit of light on you. You looking a little yellow, a little jaundice. Hey, girl.
Hey, okay, wait, turn it down. It might be making my makeup look a little.
No, it wasn't. You look perfect.
Okay. Y'all, look, I don't know if we have some flashback situation. We're trying new makeup products. Yes, I try new everything on the worst days ever. But yes, you guys.
How do you feel?
I feel old as dirt. No, I'm just
what?
No.
How about grown?
No. Honestly, like I feel very like sure of myself.
Ooh.
I feel very like just calm at 25. Very like I'm not doing anything I don't want to do. And I'm doing everything I want to do.
And meanwhile, us old bitches, how you feel?
Wait, damn. You say you're 25? Wait, what? I hear it so low.
Wait, how old are you? Wait. Catching that on camera is hilarious.
I'm the grown woman club now. What? Don't be acting. I'm here knocking on 30.
Cheers with the waters, ladies.
It's bad luck to cheers with it. Or if we all have water, maybe it's not bad.
What?
Yeah, if like everyone has a drink and you're cheering with water, it's bad luck. So some people will tell you don't like join in the cheers.
That is news to me. I've never heard that in my life.
Look, put me on.
Tell me something.
Okay, maybe I'm with the real drinker.
Okay, so we can't even cheers with water. But the drinks are on the way.
Yes, that's coming right up.
Yeah.
I do want to give her a dessert menu. Will we doing desserts for tonight?
Maybe.
She's a birthday girl, so
Oh,
maybe.
okay. Well, you know, either you do order a dessert, or I'll bring a dessert from the chef. And they'll say happy birthday. We'll put candles.
Yeah.
Put it on Instagram.
Exactly.
All right, so I'll do that. I'll get that ready for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll wait for you.
That's sweet.
Please.
Oh, right. That's what it sounds like. Wait, do that again. That chopstick literally like hit my face.
That's double funny.
Oh,
perfect timing.
Perfect.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what the good things you do, they make.
After 24 hours without my camera, I got it back. And the girls are outside. Hey girls. Outside. We're going to brunch today. Ooh, let me not. We're going to brunch today, guys, at Toulouse. Here in River Oaks in Houston, Texas. I don't know if I've ever vlogged myself being here, but y'all know this used to be my streets or whatever. So this is normal, you know, brunch on a Sunday. Yeah. Now it's really hot. It's hot as like somebody's son's ass crack, but it is beautiful. And so am I. Yeah. Oh God. Okay. Yeah, I was telling me to be humble. Thank you, God, for that reminder. Peace, love, and soul.
Just the way you look from
Parmesan.
Enjoy. You don't like truffle? Oh, actually, sometimes they put. Oh, it has truffle.
Yeah, I see that. It's okay.
Want me to pour some in there?
Yeah, the branzino is amazing.
Okay, so you guys now I feel very stupid. It's something on reality TV. Let me get a check. When I make my acting debut. Wait, there it is. So, you guys' birthday is coming up. How do you guys feel about it? I can't wait for 30. The fact that I'm there. Thank you.
I feel like the people closer to 30 keep saying, yeah, I can't wait for 30 because I hear it's lit.
Yeah.
I hear it's lit too.
I feel like everyone says that like your 30s or your 20s go with more money.
So I've heard. This dramatic ass music in the back.
I was definitely thinking that like, wow.
What a moment. I feel anxious.
Why?
When I'm seeing my friends have like families and relationships, and these are things I don't want right now at all. But like that's why I feel like my brain and my heart are not moving at the same pace as society, and that freaks me out. Because in me, I know I don't want kids right now. I know I don't want a husband right now. I know I'm not ready for any of that. Like right now, I'm only focused on myself, and then in some ways, I feel selfish for that.
And you shouldn't. Yeah, you shouldn't. See, my hang up is feeling like, you know, I've never been one that's like put a lot of pressure. Like I want to get married, but it's just like it don't happen. Like I'm like, oh yeah, I'm so close, so I just don't stress about it. However, the older I get, the more I'm like, should I be stressing? Like I don't want to wake up and be like, oh wow, I was focused on the wrong thing.
Yeah.
And so I'm like almost like inducing stress unnaturally just because I don't want to wake up and go down.
What a great way to end on that note. No, but I hear you. I'll say, for 25, I think you are much more accomplished than I was. And I'm very proud of you. I'm very, very... I'm very proud of you though, Makayla. I am. And I'm happy to call you my friend. I'm very proud of you. I can't wait to see who you continue to be. And I'm happy that I got in early on the ride.
Me too. The door's gonna close.
Yeah, okay. Well, not all the way, but...
No, but you know, they gonna tighten up.
Yeah, they gonna tighten up.
Yeah.
We might close it and then, like, you know, leave the lock open.
Yeah.
Leave the...
Like this knock?
Hey, I'm gonna leave the door Okay, she's ready.
Hey guys, this is gonna be the best year of my life. I'm already calling it. So many amazing things are gonna happen, and so much money is gonna be made, and I'm gonna look so
Lunch was amazing, or brunch, whatever it is, and we're just getting a little bit of content right now. Look at the ladies, and yes, we are shooting right now, bro. I can't wait to show you guys these pictures that we just took in front of the door. I don't even know why it's like that, but they are so super cute. I can tell everyone's probably like, these girls with these big ass cameras. Yeah. It feels good to be back in Houston. I'm not gonna lie, that's like the first time I've said that. Don't tell anybody I said that. Don't tell anybody.
Come on, P.
Whatever he said.
Catch up. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up. Your little legs.
Walk a little faster.
Right? Come on, P.
He like,
You're better than this.
He's like, Mama, we barely gonna walk. Why you acting like you make
I'm like, why are you doing this, Princeton?
He's like, now you putting me to work.
Hello, gems. I hate that my voice sounds like a 40-year-old third puberty ridden man. I don't even know if that makes any sense, what I'm saying, but my voice sounds terrible. But I don't even care. I'm just here. And we're going to go shop for some food right now because we are going to be cooking some jollof sushi tonight with the girls. We're going to be making some jollof sushi, and I'm very, very excited because it's going to taste so yummy. And your girl's eating meat. Yeah, I'm eating meat. I was going to go back on my fish diet, but guys, now that I've lost all my weight, I need to grow my butt back, and that means I need some protein. So we're going to lower some carbs, and we're going to up the protein. Lower the carbs, up the protein. And I'm craving some suya. I've been having a terrible day since the morning, and I want to have a better day. So I'm going to make my day better by eating some suya. Yeah. I'm here with Chi. I just got to watch her teach, y'all. It was so fun being a classmate and just sitting down, getting to raise my hand for the teacher, for the hot teacher. Insane. The hot teacher. Hot teacher. Anyway, all right. We're going to head in and let's go get some sushi, y'all. Let's run it up. I'm hungry. Main ingredient of the evening. How we ended up with a full freaking cart.
I have to restock her fridge. That's gonna be a thick ass sushi.
Good. Like me.
Wait, so what's the plunger part for?
To push it out. Yeah.
Promise.
This is mine is gonna be the blooper TikTok. Cause none of my clips are aesthetic.
Oh
I'm
shit!
gonna be honest.
This is not coming out.
You're supposed to push it out that way?
Is it that way?
Oh no!
It's the
push
other way.
it to I push it to smush it all together.
I forgot you were recording. I was like, what is happening?
Wow. No, because I'm impressed.
No, I am too. I didn't know what was gonna come out of that.
I am impressed. It did work. And I'm glad I got that on camera because I had no
I wish I would have got your wow. Just fucking rat.
Yeah. No, it's just to like get it to go first.
Yeah.
Whoa, not my phone died.
This is my roll.
That's funny as hell.
This is reminding me of Kendall Jenner cutting that cucumber.
And they was calling her a chef.
Cause she took her wrist and was like, I don't even understand how she did it, and she was like crossing her arms. Yeah.
I'll leave mine until you guys do yours, but I'm gonna eat my end for sure.
I may just do this.
What?
Now she's leaving us hanging. I'll do it with you.
But it looks complicated.
It's fun.
No, it is.
Oh man, this is good too. It tastes yummy.
Does it really? Oh, I love that. And then you haven't even added the stew.
I know. I'm gonna drizzle on top like I'm fucking Gordon Ramsay. Ah, shit.
You know, it really looks. Hold on,
it looks
because
so
get the fuck out of here.
Cindy, you did a great job. I'm so proud
Why
of
would
you.
my phone die and I did not get this whole process?
And yeah, Bow, bow, bow. A bow, a bow. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. We pulled this one off. And I can't wait to eat this with chopsticks. Because if it's one thing I love eating with chopsticks. So the fact that I get to eat a Nigerian dish with chopsticks, this is just scrumdiddly yum purr. So, about to go bust this down, and I'll tell you guys what I think about it in a minute.
Now, the fact you said she was like Megan Fox, she used to be arrested in jail.
Yeah. Oh. We will probably get him.
No way. That is a crime against humanity.
I just like how she let him walk into that lie. She didn't.
Oh, when about the him being parked and
yeah. She was like, I did check your location and you were at Shorty's house.
No, I didn't watch that clip. I watched it all the way through. I didn't even know what was going on.
Because she allowed him to lie.
The dog even has a name.
Dear people, I must inform you, it's my last day in Houston, and it's been great. But we have things to do still today, and that includes getting a Texas item that I'm shocked in fact, Chima, shocked that I don't have yet. I'll just take y'all along. Come on.
No, what is that? No, diamond, not moissanite. Silver diamond.
It's very important. Chima. And chill. I don't know if this is gonna be a Cam's dinner or not, but yeah, we're waiting for now. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. I just know I'm gonna eat well. I just know I'm gonna eat well. Don't judge me. This whole vlog I've been eating well. Okay, so I'm not gonna change right now. I'm gonna keep doing it.